By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to properly prepare your AutoCAD drawing environment before starting a project. Let's get started. To set up unit, you type UN, enter. That's the shortcut for unit. You can also use your application menu from Grease Drawing Utilities, come to unit. All is the same. For the purpose of this class, we will select decimal degree and precision 0.0. For the angle, we leave it at the degree and precision also 0. For insertion scale, there are so many units. We have unit, inches, feet, whatsoever, kilometer, but for the purpose of this class, we choose millimeters. Then you hit OK. That's all about unit setup. The next important part is the limit setup. The limit command defines the boundary of the drawing area. For limit, you type LIMIT. For limit, you hit enter. You type 0, 0, you hit enter. Still again, you type 20,000, 20,000, you hit enter. The last part of the lesson is to zoom the whole drawing area of this AutoCAD environment. For that, you type Z, enter, A, enter. This is the entire workspace environment. Thank you for your time. Subscribe for more videos.